Hello everyone, this is Ola. This is the second part of the vision physiology, and here we will discuss the pupillary light reflex. So it's a reflex, meaning it is involuntary, and it is a consensual reflex, meaning that unilateral stimulus of one pupil leads to bilateral response in both pupils. So if you shine the light in one eye, both eyes constrict. The pupil of both eyes constrict, and this is the normal response. So here there are two cranial nerves involved. The optic nerve, cranial nerve number 2, which is the sensory or the afferent nerve, and cranial nerve number 3, the oculomotor nerve, which is the motor or efferent nerve. So here the light is shined into the right eye. Then what happens here is that the right optic nerve takes the signal into the brain stem, which is the center. Then the center in the brain stem will stimulate both the right and left oculomotor nerves. The oculomotor nerves give the signal to both pupils, leading to their constriction. So this is the normal response. When you shine the light in the pupil of one eye, both pupils constrict. Now, how about if you shine the light in the right eye and then the right optic nerve takes the signal to the brain, which is the center, then only the left eye pupil constrict. What does this mean? This means that the right oculomotor nerve is damaged. It's not able to take the signal from the brain stem to the pupil of the right eye. So here, this is right oculomotor nerve damage. Remember always that the eye that does not constrict has its own oculomotor nerve damage. How about here? You shine the light on the right eye. The right optic nerve takes the signal to the brain stem. Then only the right pupil constrict, the left pupil does not. What does this mean? It means that the left oculomotor nerve is damaged. It's not able to take the signal to the left eye pupil. Again, the pupil that doesn't constrict has the oculomotor nerve in its own side damaged. Let's look at this scenario here. Here we shine the light into the right eye, and then the right optic nerve is not able to take the signal to the brainstem. So here, neither pupil constricts. This means that either there is a problem here in the right optic nerve, or maybe the right optic nerve is okay and is able to get the signal here to the brain stem. However, both oculomotor nerves are damaged, which is less likely. So how to prove that the issue is in the right optic nerve and is not on the oculomotor nerves? You repeat the test using the other eye, which is here the left eye. You shine the light on the left eye. Here, the left optic nerve is able to give the signal to the brainstem. Both pupils constrict. This means that the left and right oculomotor nerve are okay, and the issue here is in the right optic nerve. How about if you shine the light in the left eye and nothing happens? This means either the left optic nerve is damaged or maybe both oculomotor nerves are damaged. How to prove that the issue is in the left optic nerve and that the right and left oculomotors are okay? You do that on the other eye, which is here the right eye. Then here the right optic nerve is able to get the signal to the brainstem, and now both pupils constrict. This means that the oculomotor nerves are okay, and the issue is here in the left optic nerve. Now, with some review questions about the pupillary light reflex. So the normal response is constriction of both pupils. When the optic nerve is damaged, what would happen? No constriction of either pupil because the brainstem does not receive any signal to stimulate the oculomotor nerves. When the right oculomotor nerve is damaged, then the right eye does not constrict. How about if the left oculomotor nerve is damaged, then the left pupil doesn't constrict.